Good day to all employers here in Hong Kong. I'm Maria Florina. I am 42 years old. I am married and have two children. My husband work is driver. My educational level is high school graduate. I am terminated because my employer don't need helper anymore. I am willing to take care of pets because I am pet lover. If child or baby sick, I will let my employer know immediately and follow their instruction. If my employer is not around, I can promise to take care of the household chores and take care of the kids as well. To maintain trust and good relationship with my employer, I will always listen to them, communicate clearly, and I will be respectful and honest about my work inside and outside. To my future employer, please hire me because I am hardworking, I am trustworthy, responsible, love kids, and I promise to follow your house rules and regulation, and I promise to finish my contract with you. Thank you and God bless.